Hey, how you doing everybody? Newcastle Ninja here, and what I have for you today is one from Beyond EDC. This is the Slim. Model number is 2107. This is the 2107D, and that's for olive drab, and that's a really nice micarta on here. And it is one heck of a nice size, very useful Wharncliffe Blade in 14C28N steel. And man, look at that satin finish, and it just comes to a really nice thin grind. It's got some great jimping on it, and it's got a relatively decent spine on it. And man, it is just a beauty. It's designed by one of my favorites designers, Dirk Pinkerton. He just is truly the master when it comes to doing things with a Wharncliffe and fit and feel, finish, and so forth. This has got a neutral grip, and the micarta on it's really nice. Everything is nice and contoured, and you have this decent back spacer. You can see the milling in it. And this one here is right side or left side tip up carry, and those screws are recessed in, and I am just really digging it. Got jimping right here also, so you got plenty of real estate for jimping no matter how you hold it. It's very comfortable in forward or reverse grip because of that neutral type of handle. And whew, man, it's a this one here is, when I got it in hand, is just doing it so much more justice to see it in person rather than from just like a sight or something, like a sight picture. But whew, it is screaming sharp and just really impressive. I mean, that is no joke right there. That took no effort. It's got a beautiful, beautiful grind on it. And there's Dirk's symbol right there for his, Dirk Pinkerton. And, yep, this one here, Beyond EDC, doesn't say Slim on it. In some places you may just see that it says 2107 for it. And you can find these very cheap, relatively cheap. I've seen it for prices from $60, like on White Mountain Knives, that you can use my discount code on NCN. I've seen it on other places where you can get it for like $49.95 and so forth. So shop around, but I just wanted to just put this out to you guys. I'm not trying to be no salesman hack for the product. It's what I do. I buy these all myself, and I'm just showing them to you. So, you know, if you're on the hunt for something new and different, something that maybe isn't getting quite the attention I think it definitely deserves, this is definitely the exception right here. And man, what's really cool about these types of Wharncliffe blades is they are just designed to go through so easily through things. And you've seen how sharp that edge was. And what's also cool about this one here is you can still use this for piercing. So, and it's just nuts how sharp this is. Let's see, that's the warranty on it. And yeah, it's a razor. And it's got the really nice smooth action. It's got a great jimping on the flipper tab. I like how it kind of just scoops right up, flies right out. And yeah, it's drop shutty. It's got a decent clip on it, nice and springy, out of the way, no hot spots on it. And it does aid in also, like if you want to go ahead and do that little, put your middle finger there for a reverse if you're into that. But yeah, it's a beauty, and I am digging it. So yeah, overall we're looking at 8.66 inches. Blade is 3.78. So man, that's quite a considerable sized knife right here. The handle is 4.88, and it's only 4.5 ounces. And for an ambidextrous flipper like this with a really nice liner, as you can see right there, you've got the nice path, and it's got the nice little indentation for even coming around this side. It's very comfortable. It's a keeper. I am truly digging it. And again, I just can't recommend this one enough. I think it's a bit of a sleeper. Hasn't really gotten enough of the attention I think it rightfully deserves, and hopefully it will. So yeah, this is a awesome. And I really like the Micarta on this one here. And hey, even got some jimping right here as well. So just for those extra digits, or if you're coming around, you got your index finger to just grip it a little more right here for the jimping. Nice roundness right here for if you are going to go ahead and do some piercing. I have this board at an angle on my lap, so that just shows you how sweet this is. And let's see, cardboard shouldn't be a problem. Nope, no problem at all. 14C28N, it's no joke. It's great steel, holds an edge really well, sharpens up easily. This one here would be a very easy one to do some stropping up. And you can just go ahead and get that angle and give it a nice little touch up, you know, if you're doing anything like that. And yeah, this is a beauty. So there you go. Let's see. Yep, it's perfectly centered. Lockup, very, very decent, about 50%. And yeah, this is it's a good one. So there you go. This is the Beyond EDC Slim 2107D, and I'm Newcastle Ninja. Please like and subscribe. And if you would, leave a comment, but especially give a like. It just lets me know I'm still doing this for a reason, and I'm just doing this for you, really. So there you go. And I'm out of here. So you guys take care.